your girl Keri, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a haul of items I picked up from TJMAXX and HomeGoods over the last few months. My intention is to get great quality for a great value. And what I mean by great quality for great value is that I'm getting a really good quality item for less than the price that it's actually worth. And so I'm going to share with you a few items that I actually purchased that I think were of good value, and they look really good, really expensive. I paid a fraction of the retail value for these things. So I'm going to turn the camera around and share with you what I picked up. The first item is this coffee table book called The Beauty of Home, Redefining Traditional Interiors. And I've seen this book many times in a lot of the boutique and high-end furniture places that I go, and home decor shops that I visit. And a lot of times all of the coffee table books that are sold in these types of shops are the retail price. So usually you can tell on the back cover or on the inside cover. This book was $45. I found it in HomeGoods for $24.99, and this book really resonated with me because this is, you know, my design style. I'm a traditionalist at heart. I love traditional design. And also the other thing that I really liked about this book is that I'm not an interior designer by no means, no formal training, but a lot of the principles that I have kind of developed over the years on my own, I didn't realize they were actual principles. And here is a table of contents. They talked about architecture, composition. So this book is really a beautiful coffee table book, but it's also a great learning tool. I would suggest don't only buy coffee table books because of what's trending. Buy something that you like, buy something of interest, buy something that you would actually open up and look at the pages and read, learn something, or just like the beauty of the book. The next coffee table book I picked up was this gorgeous book here, this Louis Vuitton book. And you guys know I always talk about, oh, I do not like designer or name brand logos and things like that strewn about on items. But this book right here, I absolutely fell in love with because of the cover. I really like this handle and this leather, just the textiles and materials that are shown on the cover, the front cover of this book. It really spoke to me. It looked really luxurious. I did not pick it up just simply because the words Louis Vuitton was on there. If they would have just covered this whole thing in the creamy leather with the leather handle with the beautiful patina on it, I still would have fell in love with this book. And this book I've seen again in several boutiques. I think they even had it in Pottery Barn, and all of these places were selling it retail. And the retail price on this book is $125, and they were selling this book for $49.99 in HomeGoods. Now, if you look at other coffee table books of this quality, size, and height, you're going to spend, $60 up to $125 on those books as well. So this particular book, just because it's Louis Vuitton, that price tag isn't just for Louis Vuitton. Good, thick, large coffee table books run you in that price range. So I thought $49.99 was a great steal, and I will be reading this book. This is also good for a masculine room. If you're trying to decorate a man's room, you can put this out, and this would just be a beautiful accessory. The next item I picked up was this beautiful ginger jar. Now, I know most of the ginger jars that are trending right now are the blue and white ginger jars. Those are absolutely beautiful, but when I was searching for ginger jars, I came across this one. I wanted something that could speak to the color palette that's already in my home, something that I like and that I can incorporate with many different things that I already have. And this particular ginger jar was a little bit more than what I wanted to pay for one of these. It's $29.99. Wasn't that bad. And here's my next tip. When I looked at this jar and I said, do I really want to spend $29 on it? I look at items in totality. So I was thinking about using this as a centerpiece on my table, as a tablescape centerpiece. And so I said, well, you know, $29.99, if that's all I spend on my tablescape and I use everything else that I have from my home, I could really live with that price tag of spending $29.99 on a vase. And so I, you know, had these plates, which I absolutely love. They tie in with this ginger jar, so that was my centerpiece. These beautiful plates, if you can see the detail there, it's the light blue and the brown as well. And these were very inexpensive, although they look really, you know, elegant and high-end. I picked these up from the Goodwill, and these were $1.39. This piece right here is one of my absolute favorite finds in a very long time. Now, I was looking for a masculine looking tray, like a vanity tray to put on my husband's side, vanity on his side of the bathroom, and it just brings such warmth and masculinity to the bathroom, and still it looks really nice and elegant at the same time. So it's just a large agate tray with two handles, and it's super heavy. And a tray like this, I've seen these everywhere in all types of boutiques, ranging anywhere from about $150 up to $500. It was $49.99, and that's an excellent price for this tray. Next up are these tortoise, you know, like tortoise shell stemless wine glasses. I've wanted these for, oh my gosh, many years, but they're always so darn expensive. I haven't figured out why these are so expensive. It's just kind of like glass with a tortoiseshell motif on it, but they are typically, you know, a set of 4 could run you about 80 to 100 bucks, and there's no way I'm going to spend that kind of money. So when I saw these in HomeGoods, I scooped them up right away. Now, I've seen them used as just regular glasses. You can use them as votive candle holders to kind of give a warm glow. Stick a tea light candle down in there. And these are typically more than I normally would spend on a glass. It's $4.99 per glass. That's a little bit high for me, but again, this is something that I really wanted. I've shopped around for years, so I knew when I saw these for $4.99 I was getting a good value. And it was a good deal. And the funny thing is, as soon as I bought them up to the register, the lady at the checkout said, "Where did you get those? Do they have any more? I would love to get those. Do you know those cost an arm and a leg? You got a great deal." And then when I actually went to get them rung up, the cashier said, "Wow, we have these over there. Where did you get these?" This is just such a classic, beautiful, luxurious looking glass. And to be quite honest, this entire little setup here looks pretty good. You can just put this like a little bar. It looks a little masculine. You can get you a little moody type looking vibe at a little bar setup for a male. The next item I picked up is this beautiful giraffe here. It looks like it's kind of metallic, antiqued, and worn. It has little flecks of silver and looks like a little bit of blue-green, hints of blue-green in it, and I just absolutely love it. It's fairly large. It's about 36 inches tall, about 3 feet tall, and I wanted an elegant way to display some, you know, safari animals. I am having a wow dang themed 75th birthday party for my dad. His bowling name is Wow Thing, and my dad loves safari animals, jungle animals. He has a jungle themed bedroom, and it looks you know, cartoonish. He's overdoing it because every time he sees a safari animal, no matter what it's made out of, what it looks like, he just adds it to his collection and puts it in his room. So I want to have this, you know, sophisticated, elevated safari Wild Thing themed birthday party for him. And then after we do the birthday party, I'm going to take some of the accessories and fabrics and things that we use in the party to give his room a refresh and a more updated, sophisticated safari theme look. And this piece cost $24.99. And I think on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, I post over there, and I posted a couple of different fabrics that I found and asked you guys which one you liked the best. And I'll just insert that clip here. Let me know if you like the silver themed fabric with the zebras on them. I think that one's a little more understated and sophisticated, or the one that has just a zebra print. I think that one's just really bold and in your face, and that one would make a really big statement. So let me know down below which one of those fabrics you like the best. The next item I picked up was this Vuitton's Tonic Water. It's a pink grapefruit flavor. I love this stuff. If you remember my Dollar Tree Couture haul that I did a week or so ago, I picked up all of the sparkling grapefruit Evian water. This right here I also love. I think these are really cute bottles, if you can see the side. On the side, if you're entertaining or just want something that's really pretty and dainty and you like pink grapefruit, this would be the place to pick it up. I've seen all the different flavors carried at Homegoods and TJMAXX and sometimes Marshalls. These can run you about $7, $7 to $9 if you go to like the package store, the liquor store, the grocery store. It's more expensive there. Here they are $3.99 for a pack of 4. And again, if you're not into the tonic waters, sparkling waters, this probably wouldn't be, you know, of interest to you. But I love, love, love the pink grapefruit. The next item I picked up, this is an item from TJMAXX. And I love a great dickie. I did a video, I'll leave the link below, on hacks for plus size women, how to layer without looking bulky. And these I just absolutely love. You know, dickies. This one is a lace one, so you can really jazz up a blouse or a shirt just by adding this underneath. And I like this one. I've never seen them this way, where they actually have the arm straps in. So you put that around your neck, you stick your arms through, and it kind of holds it in place while you're wearing it underneath your shirt. So it's just like a little half bib or peekaboo bib that goes underneath the shirt, and it eliminates all the extra bulkiness, and you can, you know, use it on a variety of shirts to change up your look and style. And this one was, let me see, I think it was $12.99. This one was, yeah, $12.99. The next item I picked up were these beautiful slides. And I got these out of TJMAXX. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they're by the brand Emmanuel Crasto, I believe. Never heard of this brand, but when I saw the shoe, it just really caught my eye. It looked like a quality shoe. I grabbed it instantly, tried it on, loved the way it fit, and you know, it kind of reminds me, it's reminiscent of the YSL or the Saint Laurent Tribute. I think it's called the Tribute sandal, if I'm not mistaken. And that sandal is about $600. This one here, $59.99 was the original cost, and I got it for $32, which I thought was an exceptional value given the quality. This is made in Italy. It's a beautiful leather. I love the color. It's well made. And I tried to look this shoe up to see, you know, what this brand, what the price point for this brand is. And I saw I didn't see any new shoes that were being sold by this brand, so I don't know if they're discontinued, but a lot of Poshmark sites had this shoe on there. They were selling it for $129, and then I found one place where they said the normal retail price for the shoe is like $777, and then I saw some other styles that were around the $400 price point. So I'm assuming these shoes, this particular brand of shoe, their price point starts at somewhere around 200, between 200 and 700 bucks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul. It was a small haul because again, these items were not inexpensive, and I don't just buy things just to share on YouTube. I actually use these items and I carefully source, and I'm very intentional with what I buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.